Hello, this is Swen from Union Repair. From the last video, we introduced the underfill glue cleaner, the blade one. And today, I'd like to introduce another one, the underfill cleaner, the hook one. And also, like the last video, we got the inventor of this hook, G-lon. So you can say hello to the camera. 你说一下那个，对那个摄像头说一下。Hello. And from the last video, we introduced the material of this steel. And with this underfill cleaner, the hook one comes with the same material. It's imported from Japan. And we are trying to make the same standard for all the hooks and blade. And all the material, I use the steel from Japan. And also, we use this grinder stone. And this grinder stone is imported from the moon. So if you want to buy this, you just pay 5,000 for the stone. It's just kidding. Okay, now G-lon is also one of the best technician in China and maybe in the world. And this is also he invented himself for the personal use. And now we successfully make this tool international market. And now we'd like to have G-lon to show us how he polished this hook. Yeah.
我们现在开始磨这个刀口，现在。
等一下用砂纸是吧？So we need to use this grinder stone. The first step is use this grinder stone to polish the hook to make it thin.
首先我们要把它刀打薄它，刀口要打薄，磨薄它。
The first step is to make the hook very thin. It feels good to see the process that he polished this hook.
刀口也不能太薄，太薄就很软了。
So we use this stone to make it thin, but you have to control it cannot be too thin. So you need to control it precisely.
这也是非常，就是说。量产也不是很大的这个。
So it's the same as the underfill cleaner, is the blade one.
一天一个人也只磨100张左右的。
So since all these hooks are polished by the hand, so they can just make dozens or hundreds pieces per day.
打薄之后，那个刀口接触到主板是很光滑的。
So after polish, you also need to use the microscope to check, is it smooth enough?
市场上面这个仿的也很多，他们都是不打磨刀口的。
So there are a lot of copies in the market, and they don't polish the blade. And I have tried the copy one. It's very easy to bend the blade, the hook.
刀口打磨之后，我们再用细的那个磨刀石再过一下。
So the first step, as I said, that is using the stone to make the hook thin. And the second step is you need to change some special stone, polished stone, to make it smooth. So this stone is to make this hook smooth. Okay, we need to try to check the blade with the real PCB board.
现在这个就基本上就这样，就基本上可以说算是成品了。
So now it's already good enough to be the final product.
不伤主板就 OK 了。
So he's trying to work on the PCB board to check if it's going to break the PCB board, and now it's already finished. So they have checked it's smooth enough and it's not going to hurt the motherboard. And now this is the final product. Is this underfill cleaner, the hook one. So it's done. It's the polish process. But today we have some special guest here. He is a user of this underfill cleaner, the hook one, and we like to invite the user to give some feedback to us. So we'd like to invite Wyman here. So this is an user of this underfill hook cleaner, and I said that Jiaqing is one of the best technicians in China and maybe in the world. But Wyman, he is the best of the best, the technician in China and in the world. And he is the owner, he's the boss of G-lon. And I'm sure that G-lon is very, very famous in this industry. And I want to ask, how is the feedback of Wyman about this hook?
Hello, everybody. I'm Wyman.
So 你觉得这个怎么样？
在这个产品还没有出来之前呢，我们以前是传统就使用或者是镊子或者用传统的刀片来除胶的。
So Wyman said that before this was invented, he was using the tweezer or the blade, some normal blade from the market to clean the glue.
但是如果是用普通的刀片的时候呢，如果是经常在修手机的师傅都是要很认真的就控制那个力度，如果是力度控制不好，很容易会伤到主板。如果是对于刚刚接触啊，或者是新手来说，如果是用刀片的话是非常危险的。到了这个007出现之后呢，这个可以说方便了我们教学啊，或者我们平时使用。第一个再不用去怕很容易会刮伤那个主板这一个产品是非常好的，就是在我们使用的时候就不会很容易的刮伤主板。
So as Wyman just said, before this product was invented, he is using the tweezer or a blade to clean the side glue. But you have to be very precisely control. You have to be very skillful to clean the side. So for most of the new technician, with the tweezer or the blade, it's very, very easy to break the PCB board. But after this underfill cleaner hook come out into the market, and G-lon is beginning to using this hook and make it much easier to clean the side glue, and you got no chance to break the motherboard when you are cleaning the side glue. Okay, thank you that Wyman give us some feedback with this underfill cleaner. And for all the G-lon fans, if you want to buy the original underfill cleaner, check out Union Repair website, and you're going to get the original one, AAA grade.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. We'll catch you later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.